Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious fried rice, my way. But I am sure you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready are 2 garlic cloves. Yes, we're going to smash them, wake them up, and then take the skin off. Now I'm ready to dice in very small little pieces so that it really release all that amazing flavor of the garlic. Once you have it nice and diced, transfer it to a plate and let's continue. I have 3 eggs. I'm going to crack them open, put them here in this little plate, add a little pinch of salt, just a little pinch of salt, mix it very well so that we could incorporate it into this delicious rice that we are going to make. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out delicious and amazing, and you know exactly what your family loves. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, the diced garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of veggies, 1.5 cups of rice, and of course, our eggs. And now in the pan, I added a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to add my egg. I'm going to mix it very well. You want it nice and moist, tender, not overcooked. And here, once you have it like this, put it aside and let's get another pan so we could start making our amazing rice my way. Of course, there's many ways to make this rice, but I am going to make it the healthy way, the delicious way, the way my family loves it here at home. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter. To this, I'm going to add the diced garlic so that the garlic starts infusing the butter. We're going to incorporate it really good. After it's incorporated, I have already rinsed my rice very well to take the excessive starch out of my rice. I'm going to add the rice, incorporate it into the butter and garlic, add the salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. Once you incorporate the salt, add your veggies. And then I am going to add 2.5 cups of hot water so that I could start cooking this amazing rice. Cook your rice in medium-low heat. Cover it. Cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Every stove is different. Don't cook it in high heat. You really want all those granules to be able to pull apart when the rice is ready so that the rice is not sticky at all. So here, I'm just gonna mix, incorporate the liquid, cover it. Do not uncover it. If you still see little bubbles, do not uncover it. Continue cooking until you no longer see bubbles or liquid. And like I said, this is gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. That's okay. Your rice is going to be so perfect and so delicious. As you could see, you still see a little bit of bubbles. After about 3 minutes, there's no longer bubbles. Let me mix it. It's not sticking to the bottom of the pan. It's still a little moist, but this is when you want to add the egg. You want to incorporate the egg so that it continues cooking. Incorporate the egg in the center and then smash it a little bit, and then you could incorporate it throughout the rice. Let me tell you, this rice comes out so delicious and amazing that I'm sure that once you make it, you're going to fall in love with it. Now that you incorporate it, cover it, turn off the stove, and then you're ready to prepare your presentation plate. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And remember, Always cook with love. The food is going to taste so delicious and amazing. Look how perfect this rice looks. Throughout the rice, you can see the little pieces of egg. Turn it off, and then you're ready to plate. Look at this. This just looks amazing. Remember, very few ingredients, but every time you cook and you cook with love, you cook happy, you enjoy what you're doing, the food comes out perfect. How can you help me? Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to taste. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing fried rice my way. Let's see how this came out. Look at this. It always comes out perfect because it's made with love. Mm, mm, so delicious. Very few ingredients. But let me tell you, this rice comes out amazing. If you like and love this amazing fried rice my way, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be so notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing fried rice my way. See you soon. Bye bye.